Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to do what I call an invisible join. So instead of continuing to work in continuous rounds or slip stitching to that next stitch, we're going to do an invisible join. Since I know this is my next stitch, I'm going to remove this marker so it's easier to see what I'm doing. The first thing we'll do is remove the hook from that loop, and then we're going to insert the hook in that next stitch coming from the inside. And at this point you want to make sure your working yarn is under the hook. Next we are going to put the loop back onto the hook and then pull it through that stitch. So now we're inside our work. To make a stitch in that same stitch, we can chain one and then work into that same stitch where that join is. And that's the invisible join.